Aduumira ekibinja ky'amagye ga Uganda People's Defence Forces ekyomu nsozi ekimanyiddwa nga Mountain Division kw'ossa n'ekikwekweto Shujja nga ye Major General Richard Yoto alambuludde ku ebyo bye batuuseeko mu kikwekweto ky'okufuuza abayekera ab'akabinja ka Allied Democratic Forces nga bano okusinga bajojobya abantu mu buvanjuba bw'eggwanga erya Democratic Republic of Congo ng'ebikwekweto bino byatandika mu November w'omwaka 2021.
Operations was started in November in 2021, exactly about 3 years now. And the purpose of that operation was to ensure that we dislodged the enemy strongholds, which were on the reverse slope of Rwenzori Mountain. And these were areas of Kamyajua and Mwalika, where the ADF had stayed for about 20 years. So the operation started very well and it was very successful. That was in phase 1. All the enemy camps were destroyed and the enemy went on the run, taking the direction to the north, going to these areas of Sector 2, and then the other group went to the south in Mwalika Valley.
Bino abyanjulidde bannamawulire mu lukungaana oluyindidde ku kitebe ky'enkambi yaabwe eya Mountain Division esangibwa mu kibuga Fort Portal nga Major General ategeezezza nti wakati mu bikwekweto bye bazze bakola abaduumizi ba ADF bangi abakwatiddwa ng'ate abalala battiddwa nga n'enkambi zaabwe nnyingi ze basobodde okusaanyaawo.
First phase of that operation was mainly airstrikes and artillery bombardments. The infantry, the boots were not on the ground. But later, when the troops entered, all the camps of the enemy were destroyed, a number of guns were recovered, and most of the abductees were rescued. So when the enemy started being on the run, we kept on expanding our area of operations. That's how we moved from Sector 1, Sector 2, Sector 3, and Sector 4, where we are standing at the moment.
Talemye kwogera ku kusoomoozebwa kwe basanze mu bikwekweto bino omuli enguudo embi ezibalemesa okuwondera obulungi abayeekera kw'ossa ebitundu abayeekera gye bayingira nga teri bakuumaddembe olwo ne batirimbula abaayo.
However, there could be some few challenges, like one, if the enemy is not in 4 sectors, where are they? They have gone far. That calls for us again to follow them, and as we follow them, we expand the areas. We've been in Congo for about 3 years. If the enemy enters in an area where we don't have the joint forces, sometimes they kill the population, and that's part of killing civilians who are innocent indiscriminately. And then the other one is the road conditions. Sometimes we get that difficulty when we are moving on the battle roads. And the terrain generally, Congo is full of forest and swamps and rivers.
Yakulira ebyobulamu mu nkambi wamu ne mu kikwekweto Shujja Major General Daniel Okero alambuludde ku byobulamu bw'abantu ababa banunuddwa nga mu kiseera kino balina abawerera ddala 2 be baanunula emyezi 2 egiyise nga bano bali mu mbeera nnungi era nga n'okutambula kati batambula.
We got 20 abductees who were rescued 2 months back from Biakato. They were in bad state by then, but currently they are very stable, walking, and really generally in good health right now.
Ono agamba nti ekigendererwa kyabwe kutaasa bulamu bw'abantu be balina ng'agamba nti okusinga abaliwo balina ebiwundu ebyamasasi nga waliwo n'abalina endwadde ez'enjawulo.
Main objectives here, number 1 is to save life. And these abductees, 80% of them were brought. They were all injured, firearm injury at the field, and basically we stabilize them by doing operations. Minor, major, we do them right from here. Yeah, and also treat the sick as well. So we handle them equally as we are handling our own soldiers, our colleagues. Yeah.
Abakulu bano basabye bannayuganda okwesambira ddala ebikolwa eby'obutujju wabula bagende mu maaso n'okubakwasizaako ku ddimu ly'okubirwanyisa. Mutabali Moses yakusakidde eggulire lino ku Lakes TV Agale.